Welcome to this quick 2025 guide on how to split audio tracks in VLC Media Player. Whether you're editing music, trimming recordings, or separating specific parts of an audio file, VLC gives you a simple way to do it without needing advanced software. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the updated steps so you can split audio easily and efficiently. Let's jump right in. First is open your VLC. Next is click the media and click the open file. Choose the file and click open. Click the view option. Go to the advanced controls. Now click the record button, and that's it. Now you know exactly how to split audio tracks in VLC Media Player in 2025 using fast and beginner-friendly methods. With your audio segments ready, you can edit, upload, or use them however you need. If this guide helped you, feel free to share it and check out more of my step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.